Alrighty, so we are going to test out the media mod on my GoPro. We'll see how the mic sounds. It's a really, really windy day. This is probably the perfect test for this. I really hope this is picking my voice up well. This is not my typical helmet, just so you guys know. And again, it's really, really windy out. So we shall see. This is kind of a dangerous road if you don't know the road itself. Really nice day out. And this bike feels great. Good old DR200, man. My camera angle hopefully is good. Again, I'm not wearing my regular helmet. This helmet's got a bigger chin than my regular dirt helmet does. And I can't really check the back angle. This road narrow is pretty narrow. Just want to get this DR out and blow it out, basically. It's a dangerous turn. As you can tell, it's really windy. I'm really excited to see how this GoPro media mod's gonna work with the wind. We're not gonna test with an external mic today. This is media mod only. If this works well on the road on a windy day like today, then we know it's gonna work really well off-road. And I might not even have to worry about having an external mic hooked up. This is where it gets kind of dangerous. Creep through. It's even more dangerous right here. Very windy out. This visor off with the sun visor down only, I'm getting a bunch of bugs going inside my helmet. And it's not even hot, like hot summertime right now. Make sure there ain't no damn cars there. They're flying through. Jericho Road. This is the old Jericho Bridge. It's apparently a haunted bridge. No parking anytime. That's cool. the motorcycle community. Really cool people. Get about 30 right now. Downhill. Wind's kind of being blocked. All right, there's the wind again, but the wind's kind of being blocked a little because of the trees. Wind's picking back up now. I'm gonna speak up a little bit right now and see if it picks my voice up any better. I'm kind of talking louder than I typically would right now. And then I'm gonna talk normally right now. At this level, I'm talking what I would normally talk anytime that I'm riding with my microphone inside my helmet. We're gonna pick it up a little bit and do about 40, 45. Actually, we're gonna have to slow it down right over here because it's gonna enter Old Jerusalem Hill Village. But this kind of gives you an idea. Okay, this is our slower speed 20-mile-an-hour test on the Media Mod mic, rear only mic. Okay, this is a 45 on a really windy day, higher rate of speed. Pick up a little bit of speed. Speaking in normal tone. That might be a cop. Nope. Okay, so this is a higher rate of speed, really windy. Media Mod, rear mic only, dead cat installed. Hopefully it sounds good. All right, so this is about what you'd be moving around in the woods. You wouldn't have any sound, you wouldn't hear anything. So you'd be basically just moving around 20 to 30 miles an hour. That's basically what the Media Mod will sound like when you're moving around slow speed. Last ride that I did with the DR200, my footage on my GoPro was it was just completely destroyed. Weird issue, and it turned out to be the SD card. It said it was recording, and it was taking up space on the SD card. So it was filling the card up with what it claimed to be video footage. But when I went back to check the SD card, there was literally 0 videos on there. It was just entirely corrupt. So the space was being utilized with nothing, basically. Swapped out the SD card. The new one, the newest and latest improved SD card that GoPro highly recommends. So we're gonna see how that does. Shouldn't have any more issues. I guess that SD card was just worn out. I don't know. I always keep multiple SD cards on me, but when you got a 128 or a 256 gig and it says it's working fine, it's not giving you any errors, then you don't think to check it right away. Everything was working fine. So I got home and I checked the footage.